So in this video we are looking at narrow CPR scan for stocks for next week, right? So the first stock we are looking at is Shell, SHEL, right? Go to charts. Let's see whether SHEL is bullish but narrow CPR, but the general overall trend is bearish. We'll see what's going. I don't know what's going to happen, but you can see that CPR trend is bearish. The higher time frames are bearish. Okay. So I don't see the good one. Maybe you can go bearish. Next one is PPR, but it's a low price stocks. PBR. Okay, generally just bearish. You can see a buy signal here, but the stock is generally bearish. Okay. So these are the two stocks which are narrow CPR. The rest of them are very low price stocks. Let's look at BP and HPQ. Okay. BP. You can see a narrow CPR. HPQ. This is bullish. No, there's no narrow CPR here. Okay. Thanks for watching the video. Please share, subscribe, and comment. Okay. So the narrow CPR is basically Shell and PBR. Okay. Thanks for watching the video. Thank you.